This is Andrew with Morris Renovations. We are here now in Parsippany installing a brand new roof for our customer who is an investor. She has a couple of houses in the area and this is the first one that we're doing a full replacement for her. There was a different house that we performed some repairs on. She was very satisfied with our work, with our professionalism. And she wanted us to go ahead and replace the roof on this particular house. So what you see behind me is the whole roof has been torn off and the crew is in the stages of actually removing the tarp from the front of the house, which was acting as a protection for all the landscaping. You can see it here. I will walk around to the other side of the house so you can see what the back looks like. Here we are in the back of the house. You can see all the tarp is currently over draping the rear of the house. All the garbage is getting blown off the roof. It hasn't been ripped off, so now it's getting clean, so the deck is clean for the new roof system installation. You see how that tarp protects everything. Once again, we are in Morris County, Parsippany, New Jersey. Let's see what underneath the tarp looks like. So we are underneath the tarp now. As you can see, the whole house is protected. There's an AC unit, if you can see right there, that's being protected with a plywood so it does not have any damage when the roofing debris is coming down the roof. And all the debris is on the ground. We'll be back with another video shortly.